Thank you all for coming. We're gathered here today to say goodbye to a member of our family, our old tow rig. She always got me back home. She always got me back home. She was in bad shape the whole time I had her, but she always got me back home. One time I remember she slung out 5 gallons of oil in 20 miles, but she still got us back home. I'm sorry I didn't treat you better. Even in the end of your life, you gave us one last joyride. Me and Digger had a lot of fun on that ride the other day. The last breath of life was a good time. I'm sorry, but I have to let you go. I need the scrap money.
Tell Mercy to stay with me.
Stay with Mom. Now we read from the book of Motorhead. Fear the man, kill the snitch. Just remember, life's a bitch. I'm sorry, old girl. I'm sorry. Well, I was a little bit afraid about this one. I don't want a tire snapping off, rolling into the barn over there, so I parked that old Dodge over there. That's kind of my brakes, in case I run out. I don't have brakes, so watch out. You guys are getting some once-in-a-lifetime shows from up there in the window.
Yeah.
I see glass.
I was on the balcony.
I see glass up here.
Don't touch it.
I was on the balcony so you could, like, the
Can you get
screen
down
was
so I
in
can
my
get down?
shot.
Can you get down so I can get in? Okay.
Get in what?
Mom.
What?
Mom.
Uh-oh.
Durr. It's so Durr.
This isn't really a jungle gym. I don't want you to get hurt.
My name's Jimmy Durr, and I'm a YouTuber from hell. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, little boy!
Daddy, you broke the windshield all up here.
What happened, man?
You broke the roof off.
I sure did.
You broke the roof.
Things out and
Every Sunday after church, buddy. Every Sunday after church. This is COVID times, 2020. What?
It's a crazy ending.
to go out in style. Hi, my name's Jimmy Durr, and I may need some help one day. But until then, I'm just fine. Hi, Digger Durr. What you doing, man? Hey, Mercy Man! Buddy, how was that? Was that a good monster? The end.